Recording is started. So see here, problem number 12, he says a regular pentagonal prism of base edge 30, axis length 60 is mounted centrally over a cylinder block of 80 mm diameter and 25 mm thick. So first time when you read, you should understand how many solids are there. There are two solids, one is pentagonal prism, the other one is cylinder block. Second time when you read, you need to understand which solid is placed on top of what. So pentagonal prism is mounted centrally over a cylinder. So prism is on top of a cylinder. So third time when you read, you need to understand which first solid, what is the dimension. So cylinder block, 80 dia, 25 mm thick. So let us draw it. 0.05 line thickness, the construction type line. So 80 angle 30, 80 angle 150, 80 angle minus 150, 80 angle minus 30. Okay, so midpoint, shortest diagonal end point, midpoint, shortest diagonal end point, midpoint. Arc by center point method. Column 1 as a center, this as the radius, draw an arc. Okay, I'll increase the thickness. This as the center, this as the radius, draw an arc. This as the center, this as the radius, draw an arc. This as the center, this as the radius, draw an arc. Okay, and the thickness of the cylinder is 25 mm. So go back to line command, increase the thickness to 0.5. From here, type 25 angle 90. Then select the entire thing. Select the ellipse. Hold control function and click on the arcs that you have tried to done. Go to move command. Switch on the copy option. This point should come and fall on tip of this. Okay. Then go back to line command. Draw one vertical line from here to here and delete all unwanted lines. So mean to say this line deleted. Right, and trim off the lines which is entering into the solid. This line, this line, this line, and this line. Right, get the midpoint of it. So from center to center is a midpoint line. Now on top of this, you are supposed to place a pentagonal prism. Now what is the dimension of the pentagon? Pentagon is 30 mm sides. So go to line command, construct one pentagon on your sheet. Okay. So pentagon of 30 mm side, so 30 angle 0, 30 angle 72, 30 angle 144, 30 angle minus 144, 30 angle minus 72. Right? Put this pentagon in the box and get the box dimension. Here, line click, this indicator line click, this click, and close. Right? Take the dimension, box dimension from here. It is 48.54. This one it is 46.17. Okay, so 48.54 I'll take it as 49. 46.17 I'll take it as 46. Round off. That's all. A small increase in number. This is 49. This is 46. Okay. Construct it in the side. I'll show you how to do it in the sheet also. First, let us see how to do it in the system, because system work is important in the exam. So first is 49. So 49 angle 30, 46 angle 150, 49 angle minus 150. Then again last 46 angle minus 30. Okay. So on this line, let us reduce the thickness so that it will be easy for me to see the pentagon. 0.05. Right. So now this is 46. Sorry, 49. This is 46. This is again 49. This is again 46. Right. So on 49, I have 2 points of pentagon. One is this one at a distance of 9.27. This is also at a distance of 9.27. So go to arc by center point method. On column 1, type 9.27 as the radius. Cut an arc from here. Cut an arc. Same way from the other side. Again 9.27 as the radius. Cut an arc. Okay. Then what is this height? On 2 to 3 line, distance from here to here, this dimension I wanted to see, that is 28.53. If this is 28.53, on 4 to 1 also it will be 28.53. 28.53 itself. Go to arc by center point method. On 2 to 3, type 28.53, enter, cut an arc. Same thing on 4 to 1, again same 28.53, 28.53, enter. There's one more arc to be drawn, right? So once this is done, go back to line command, increase the thickness to 0.5 and start connecting it. Here to here, here, this side it's a midpoint, here to here, and close. Okay, so this is how you construct pentagon of 30 mm sides in the box. Okay, now the pentagon midpoint should fall on the midpoint of this line. So how to get the midpoint? Simple. From corner opposite edge midpoint, from this corner opposite edge midpoint. Once you do this, trim it off because getting scissor symbol is very difficult, right? Then hold the control function, click on one line, hold the control function and select all the remaining lines, including this midpoint lines. Okay, go to move command, switch on the copy option. This midpoint one should fall on this midpoint. Okay, this midpoint should come and fall on the line midpoint. Then axis length is how much? It is 60. So from here, draw one line to a length of 60 and keep the top face pentagon. Just a minute. I'll move it little bit side, so it will not. Yeah. Okay, I'll take it little bit aside so that the top pentagon will not disturb. Yes. Okay. Now on top of this, one more pentagon. So since it is a prism, bottom and top will be the same. So select only the pentagon. Go to move command, switch off the copy option. To this corner, I have drawn a line, so I'm going to select this corner as a moving point. Put it on tip of this, then finish off the top corner to bottom corner, top corner to bottom. That's all. Delete all innermost lines. So this is deleted. Delete, delete. Trim this one and this one. That's all. So this is how you get your problem. Okay. So after completing everything, just convert it to isoscale. So select the entire thing, go to scale command, 0.816, 816, enter. Okay. So this is how you solve the problem. So any doubt in this, please let me. I'll stop the recording so that